Hello guys and welcome to our channel Solution Station. Today we are talking about how to download Threads app in your PC or laptop. So stay with us and watch the full video to learn how to set up Threads app in your laptop or PC. Here you can see I am using Threads app on my laptop. How you can get the app? First, remember one thing. You must have Threads app installed in your phone and also have to connect it with Instagram. If you don't connect your Instagram with Threads app, you don't use this app on your desktop. So first, connect it with your Instagram account and install mobile app. And then you have to visit this web page, link in the description. Scroll down and select Windows and click the link. App download automatically. You can see here app downloaded. When download was completed, please install it and use your experience with Threads app. Thank you for watching this whole video and never forget to subscribe.